Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out one of the most beautiful 1979 Trans Ams that we've had the pleasure of having at our dealership. Show quality car throughout, beautiful paint, 3-inch dual exhaust, and a 455 under the hood with aluminum heads.
What a black beauty. What's it got for a motor?
455.
Okay. I wasn't sure.
I haven't drove this one yet. Is it pretty fast?
I just took it, I took the pictures yesterday, just took it up the stop sign and back. It's got some good torque.
It sounds amazing. Gorgeous black paint, all the decals are very nice.
Another thing to say, it's just got a little light coat of dust on it already, but the paint is gorgeous. All the way across the front here too, Dalton. We don't have any cracks or anything like that I can see. It's just gorgeous.
Yeah, it's a very nice.
You pop the hood and it comes right up. So many of these Trans Ams, you really have to dig in to try to get that up. Aluminum heads, MSD ignition, power steering, power brakes. What a nice engine bay too, isn't it? Bottom of the hood is beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Here, I'll hand that to you and shut it off.
We've had so many customers looking for another black 4-speed T-top car, and this is a it took us, what, about 6 months to get the right one in here again. This is the first one we've had since the last one we had, like, I want to say like 20, 30 people really hot on it, sold right away. And you know what? I'm a real fan of the saddle interior versus the black on this car.
Yep. And the interior is gorgeous too. We'll get to that in a few minutes, but also a 4-speed, which is another added bonus for this car.
Love the wheels on it. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes as well. Wheels are brand new, tires are excellent. We're running 225 60-15s here on the front, and it still has the little tips on them still. So they're in great shape. The paint is awesome, front to back. I don't know how old the paint is, but it can't be over 5 years old. It's gorgeous.
It is, it's beautiful.
Really nice sunny day today. Yesterday when I took the pictures, it was pretty cloudy, but this gives you a really good opportunity to see how straight and nice this is in the sun. And like I said, we had it all detailed yesterday, so there's a very, very light coat of dust on it right now. What size tires do we got back there, D, on the back? A little bit of, we did buff it, I guess, when it come in. You can see just a little buffing compound just in this little corner right here still.
225 60-15s in the rear.
All right. The back shelf's in great shape. Top of the back seat's really nice. Thank you. Door rubbers are beautiful. Corner of the door is perfect as well. What we like to see there. Door panels, awesome. Seats are beautiful. Really nice padding in the seats as well. Carpet's been replaced. Her shifter's in great shape. Power windows work and the power locks work. Dash pad's beautiful. I don't see any cracks or any issues there. Top of the dash is painted nicely, and so is the plastic here. Dome light works. T-tops look good. Headliner's all tight. There's a couple tiny little, very, very small spots right here in this headliner. Very small. Back seats, cushions are great. Door panels are excellent. It's got the correct seat belts all the way around.
Damn, this is a sharp looking car.
It's a nice one. Go on the website, coyoteclassics.com. That way you can see the pictures of the trunk and all the undercarriage photos as well. Very, very solid Trans Am. Really nice exhaust, probably what, 3-inch exhaust?
Yep, and it's all brand new, it looks like, from the underneath. It's got frame connectors as well, which is important when you have something with this kind of horsepower in a unibody car. So it's got the frame connectors, nice car underneath. You can see those photos on our website, coyoteclassics.com.
I think I just said that.
Oh, well, now they heard it twice.
Now they'll really go and look at it, won't they? Bottom of the fenders, rockers, doors, everything's awesome. The decal kit is really nice on it. Both doors look good. Still got the factory stickers in the door as well. Door panels, awesome. Here's your power locks. They work as well. Hear them clicking. It's got tilt wheel, original steering wheel. I know the horn doesn't work. I tried that a little bit ago. Remote mirror works. Seats excellent. console's nice. Again, your back seat's great as well. Let's take her for a spin. What do you think?
Can't beat the T-tops either. Those are so nice.
The buzzer still works. It's got aftermarket oil pressure gauge here. That way it shows exactly where it's at. The factory ones are still in place, but they put these two in as well. Just a little more accurate, I guess. Rear defrost works. I'm guessing this doesn't work. There's no air on it anymore anyway. Can't hear it over the motor. Volt gauge works, gas gauge works. It's got tilt wheel. Wipers are working, nice blades on them, and they park correctly. Dome light works. Radio is in there for display only. No, so the radio isn't hooked up. Man, this thing sounds good, doesn't it?
It's a damn cool car.
I love this correct shifter too, this Hurst shifter in this one. How it,
Yep.
it sits down in there so nicely. This thing's awesome.
Oh, it's crazy.
This thing is not quite the car as far as power wise as that the Challenger we drove last week, but it is damn close. I shouldn't even say that yet because we haven't got all the way down through it yet. Hey, look, perfect timing.
Yeah, he just missed us. Little Smokey and the Bear.
Smokey and the Bear with the Bandit.
Yep.
That was perfect timing.
Smokey and the
Smokey and the Bear. Smokey and the Bandit.
God damn, it's been a long week.
Oh, it has, huh? Anyway, we miss him.
Yep.
All right, this thing sounds great. Tach and speedometer are the only two things in the dash that aren't working, and we will fix both of those items.
Wow. What a car.
This is fantastic. I love the exhaust, and it's just not loud exhaust. It's freaking power.
Yeah.
You know, it's got a ton of power. We're gonna go through the gears one more time. See if old Smokey the Bear is still there.
Smokey the Bear.
Well, they kind of call them Bear.
Yeah. I just mixed up two things at once.
Yeah.
Smokey the Bear.
We'll see if the old Bear's sitting there for us.
Smokey the Bear's the fire bear, isn't he?
Yeah. Smokey the Bear.
Oh,
my God.
Smokey. Smokey the Bear.
Think the old Smokey Bear sitting there? Or not?
I don't know. We'll find out. This thing is wicked. Yeah. Only way to do it is put a big old 455 in there.
Wow. And the sound, and I'm gonna roll my window up, but it's really quiet inside too. I mean, not exhaust,
Hey,
but
power
no
windows
rattles
work
and
great,
stuff.
too.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Listen to that.
Even with the T-tops, it's
Oh my
nice
God.
and
And
tight.
everyone's gonna ask that. You know,
Yeah.
how's the wind noise? It's freaking awesome.
Yeah.
Should we get on it one more time, or
Yeah, might as well.
I don't see the old Bear.
Bear, the old Smokey the Bear. Wow.
Here's our brakes. We didn't really talk about them. We were too busy going fast. But four-wheel disc brakes work perfectly, and so was our booster. So many times on these four-wheel disc brakes, sometimes the booster for some reason just goes down a little too far. This one works awesome.
This thing's damn cool. We better put this away before Smokey the Bear gets us, but
Yeah.
check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.